If you're looking for charm, a beautiful century home, minutes to Sarnia downtown, welcome to 223 Broad Street North. Step inside to a wide hallway with soaring ceilings, a welcoming introduction to this classic home. To the left, the living room features original hardwood floors and a cozy gas fireplace, an inviting space for everyday living and entertaining. From here, you'll move into the dining room, a warm and spacious area for family meals and gathering. Conveniently located just off the dining room, the main floor bathroom, the kitchen just beyond, offering plenty of room to cook and create. And nearby, you'll find an additional bedroom that can serve as a guest room, office, or flex space. The kitchen also connects to a main floor laundry, leading out to a private backyard, perfect for relaxing outdoors or entertaining in those warmer months. With hardwood floors throughout, high ceilings, and a functional layout, 223 Broad Street brings together character, comfort, and opportunity. If you'd like to schedule a private showing, reach out today and welcome home to the Blue Coast.